Columbia Business School Center on Global Brand Leadership, Marketing, and the Creator Economy Conference. In order to attend, I offered to volunteer my time. I've been given this extremely important task of moderating a timer here. So I have to do the very complicated thing of dragging this mouse over to start and hitting the button. Otherwise, I have all access to be here. I'm really looking forward to some of these sessions too. Finding the right influencer, targeting nearby influencers, sponsors, referral marketing, and it's tough because there's multiple sessions going on at the same time. So there are representatives from YouTube, Global Partnerships, Adobe, Harvard Business School, Columbia, of course, and many, many others. This was a $500 ticket, or come and hit the button.
So welcome. You came from all around the world. I mean, we have people here, of course, from the United States, but also from Asia and from Europe. So it promises to be a really, really great conference.
Are there 50 million creatives in the world? As Singlefire has frequently quoted as saying, or are there 300 million creatives in the world, as Adobe says, or are there 200,000, as I'm going to argue?
How can we crack that code in terms of what drives engagement, or how can we enhance it? We talked to a bunch of brands as well as agencies that work in this sphere, and they told us that, we don't just work with one influencer and it's not just about one post, but rather it's multiple brands working with multiple creators and having them do multiple postings.
China does have very different digital ecosystems. And how channels are social marketing, short-form videos, and live streaming again. So you may think about China as this way. For a typical Chinese consumer, we work the work on the big screen and we live the life in a small screen. So the platforms provide content to consumers and consumer give attention back. And then the platforms sell you attention sort of to advertisers and earn the advertising money.
Grasping these experiential similarities, what characterizes listeners' preferences, capable of personalization of understanding contextual preferences of users.
The YouTube Partner Program's paid out more than $50 billion in the course of 3 years, and that's really facilitated a lot of what you see today. Many of the creators that are on YouTube, they are not, I think what people kind of think about is like individual people that are doing everything on their own. Many of our creators are running businesses with 50, 70, 100 employees. We're talking about $50 billion in 3 years. It is an economy.
My teachers didn't believe that I was sick because I looked okay. And I was so frustrated that I went on a Facebook group and I was like, there has to be other people out here that are dealing with the same thing. That are not just students dealing with this, but they're like real people. I'm looking forward to seeing creators build brands rather than just kind of chase clout and just kind of chase the numbers.
Now I have 5 million on YouTube, 11 million on TikTok. And then I even got an opportunity to open my own ice cream store in New York City. We've seen the short form content that people want organic connection with people, and that's kind of like went away from a lot of like what was like the fake prank stuff on YouTube a couple of years ago, where everyone right now, they want really like genuine connection.
Hey Dylan, I wanted to show you something.
Yeah, of course.
So I made a platform.
I love it. Oh, it's so cool.
Yeah, it's for immersive content creation.
Yeah.
Surrounded you with a bunch of ice cream.
I love it. That's really cool. What's it called? Spheria, you said?
Yeah, I'll give you a card.
Yeah, definitely. That's so cool. So this was your camera that was recording in the front?
Yes.
Okay, so I was wondering what that was. The whole time I was like, what is this? Who's doing this?
I've recorded about 4,000 gigs with this thing the past 100 days.
That's insane.
It's insane. I'm overwhelmed.
Yeah, I can imagine.
How many people do you have managing your content creation?
So right now it's just me. Back to me. Yeah. Yeah. It's fun. I'm kind of reinventing everything and having fun with it.
And maybe falling back in love.
Oh,
a process.
No, that's one of my favorite part is that
Yeah.
I've been so focused on the ice cream shop that like I haven't felt like a creator in a while, and so these last few weeks I've really felt like a creator again. It's been the most amazing feeling. I'm so thankful for it.
Yeah. I'm all about passion and love and
Yeah.
creation. It's not I'm a multimedia artist and things like that. So, yeah, I'd love to connect in some way and hear your opinions on this new platform.
Yeah, it's cool.
It's meant. That
Yeah.
is the.
I know. I say that all the time, and I saw that, and I was like, "That's so funny."
Yeah, right.
It was great to meet you.
It's good meeting
Thanks
you
so much.
too.
It was Mike.
You live in Manhattan?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, same here.
Yeah.